A warm welcome to today's edition of Money Moves. I am Melissa Enoch here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos. All right, then let's begin with your news now. Egypt's finance minister, Ahmed Kushuk, has issued two new decrees to streamline value-added tax procedures and strengthen trust with taxpayers. The reforms expand deductible input to include financing and construction costs, extend VAT payment suspensions on dismantled production lines, and establish a new framework for calculating VAT on long-term contracting projects that span the enactment of Law Number 157 of 2025. The measures aim to boost tax certainty, ease compliance, and foster a more transparent, investment-friendly business environment. In earnings news, Seplat Energy recorded a sharp jump in Q3 2025 profits and revenue, with attributable profits surging to 105.35 billion naira from 2.30 billion naira a year earlier. Revenue climbed to 1.19 trillion naira from 495.85 billion naira, driven by strong production and pricing. Earnings per share rose to 178.25 naira from 3.91 naira. The board declared a Q3 dividend of $0.075 per share, payable on November 28 to shareholders on record as of November 13. In East Africa, Stanbic Bank Kenya and Stanbic Bank Uganda have arranged a 5.8 billion shillings long-term funding package to support the expansion of PepsiCo Bottlers, Crown Beverages Uganda, and SBC Kenya. The deal, 3.9 billion shillings for CBL and 1.9 billion shillings for SBC Kenya, will drive industrial growth, regional trade, and job creation in East Africa's beverage sector. In Kenya, Equity Group Holdings has announced a 32% year-on-year rise in profit after tax to 54.1 billion Kenyan shillings for the third quarter of 2025, up from 40.9 billion Kenyan shillings in the same period last year. The growth was driven by strong income performance and continued balance sheet expansion as the group released its Q3 2025 financial results at an investor briefing. Let's listen to Group Chief Dr. James Mwangi.
Our NPLs have moved from 14 to 12. Our coverage from 68 to 71, and everything looks, the direction is the right direction. So, and that is what, so we have nothing needed to worry about. The needed, how do we grow? Because the engine is efficient. There is nothing troubling, as you can see, in every respect, directions gone. When you look at profit before tax and return trade, because this is very important. Efficiencies, what do they mean?
Let's switch into the commodities data deck, beginning with energy prices. Brent crude fell 0.89% to $64.34, and WTI dropped 0.86% to $59.96. Natural gas rose 1.34% to $3.86, while Arabian gasoline eased 0.90% as of 13:03 GMT. And finally, two soft prices. Cocoa dropped 1.54% to $5,951. Coffee fell 1.55%, and cotton eased 0.94% to $65.39. Palm oil slipped 0.18% to about $1,000, while sugar lost 1.94% to $14.14 as at 13:08 GMT.
Thank you very much for those market updates, Grace. And that's it on today's edition of Money Moves. From all of us here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.